it's time for another video. Today, what I thought we would do is a mini opening. I've got one of each, these Real Littles micromart, this adorable So Mini LOL. I've never opened one of these with y'all. I've only opened one, and this one I got on clearance at Walmart for $7.45, some weird price like that, like 48 or 45. And then I got the Disney mini brand Disney store, and then I've got a Miniverse Series 2 Cafe Edition, and we're just gonna open these 4 little minis today and have us a little opening video. So y'all know the drill. I've got my trusty little tool here that I use to open these ballies because for some reason they never want to open right, even with the little perforated strips. So what we're gonna do first is the Make It Mini food. So I am gonna take all the packaging off and then come back to you, and then we'll see what I got. This is how I do it, in case you're wondering, because they never want to come open for me any other way. If I pull, it'll just pull it around funny and it won't come open, and it's so hard to do, and it's supposed to be easy, but it's not. See, there we go. But that's how I do it, y'all. All right, got the bally. Let's see what we got. This is just all the weird instructions. We don't need that, but here is the guide so y'all can see it. Not gonna go through it real in depth because I'm trying to make this video kind of short just to give us a taste of the bigger video that I have planned, where I have lots and lots of these to open with y'all. Okay, I pre-opened all the packages, but I didn't peek, so we'll find out together what we got. This is usually a spoon or a fork or a spatula or something cute, along with the little tweezers, this thing that goes on top of the ball. We get a spoon. And then in this one, what did we get? What did we get? A long plate. Is there anything else in here? Yeah. There's a little tiny blue cup. That is so cute. Next, what do we got? What do we got? Ooh, chocolate syrup. I guess this is the churro one. Yay! Last little baggie, let's see what we get. Oh, it's the churros. Sunny Bites. These are so cute on the package. Let's see what they look like. Hang on. Here they are. I had to get it open with my little tool so I wouldn't bend the box all up because I want to keep it. Look at how detailed these are. They got the like sugar sprinkles and the tan, like as if they were cooked on the ridges. And it comes with this little piece of snacky snacks like tissue paper. This is so cute. I love it. Next, let's see what we got in the little Real Littles micromart. Okay, got it open. Let's just see. I think, yeah, there's the guide. And what is this? Oh my God, Mother's Circus Animals. And it feels like there's something in there. That is so cool. Let's see what it is. Does it open? It does, I think. Yeah, it has a little zipper top. Oh, how cute, how cute, how cute. This is perfect. If you turned it like that, you could totally use that. It'd be like jumbo cookies, but who cares? For like pictures with your dollies, and it's pink and white. How adorable. I love this. Okay, last and final thing in the micros. Strawberry Crispies. What? These are so cute. I love pink, and they're pink. What's inside? What's inside? Oh, how adorable. Now this you can't really use with the dolls, but I don't care. It's still cute, and I love the box. The box can definitely be used like a cereal box, like a jumbo one from Sam's or something for your dollies and pictures. How adorbs. All right, let's go for this Mini Brands Disney Store 5 Surprise Ball next. All right, bally all undone. We're just gonna get on into this first little wedge and see what we got. I can get it open. Sometimes these are hard to open. All right, there's the guide. And we've got Captain America's shield. That is cute. I don't know if I've got this before, but I don't care about doubles not that much because definitely one day I'm gonna make a toy store diorama. Okay, y'all, I lost some footage here. So what I got is just what I've got. I got the Beast in this one capsule, and then I got Darth Vader, as you can see, I'm setting him next to it. And then I got Jessie, which I couldn't show you. And then in this last little wedge, I got the Stormtrooper. He's so cute. Next, let's open this So Mini LOL. I lost some footage here too, which is why the stuff is all dumped out here. Here's the little guide. We're gonna open it and see what we can get. Here's all the little dollies. They're so cute, y'all. Oh my goodness. I don't know which one I'm gonna get, but I think they're all so stinking cute. Look at these. And then here's the back. Like I said, I want to put these in a frame. These are so adorbs. Okay, let's see what's in the little tissue paper here. Oh, here's the little outfit. Look at it. It's so cute. I love all the colors. And then what's in this one? Probably shoes, it looks like small. Yeah, shoes. Shoesy shoes. Look at the little shoes. They're so cute. What's in here? Oh my goodness, what are these? I think these are the little like hair things that stick in the head. These are adorbs. There's one more little thing before we get to the dolly. It's the bottle. I figured it was. It says pop and it's pink. This is so cute. All right, I pre-cut this, but I didn't peek. Let's see. Her head came off. Oh no. It's no big deal. You can just put it back on the body, but that's kind of, might freak some people out. But there she is. Oh my God, these are so cute. Look at this. I can't even. I hate that they're posed like that. But I guess that's so they can get them in the ball. Look at how stinking cute she is. Oh my goodness. I'm in love with these. Oh, I'm going to have to order some more. They're so cute. All right. I'm going to pause here, then get her dressed and come back to you. I missed this. It rolled where I couldn't see it, and this is part of her outfit. She has little headphones, y'all. How cute. Okay, the one I got is called Freestyle. How adorbs. All right, here she is all dressed up with all her stuff. She's so stinking cute. I love these. These are definitely my absolute 100% favorite of all the little LOL mini Tot dolls lines. This is so stinking cute. I want them all now. This is so adorable. I can't even. And I'm fairly certain that these are little hair pieces that if you pull these out, you can stick them in the holes, but I don't want to do that. This is so cute with the little balls on the head. I'm going to leave it like that. So adorable. I love, love, love. This is so cute. Well, y'all, we did it. We made it through our minis opening. So if you've been with me for the whole video, I have to say hugs and love to all the watchers out there. And I also have to say thank you so much for being with me and for watching, y'all. As always, I hope everybody watching is well, happy, and safe, having a great dolly day, and that all the good, best things that are in this life that can come to you, I honestly, truly hope they will. I have to say, great big, huge, lovely subscriber love to all you wonderful, lovely subscribers. I can never say enough just how special, just how much you mean to me. All the best words, all the great words. I think those about y'all. So I have to say thank you so much for literally everything, y'all. If you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Come on, y'all. Come and join the great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family we have built here, which grows by the day. Thanks to y'all hitting that button and saying we like your Dolly silliness and Dolly loveliness and Dolly craziness that you get up to. And that means so very much to me. Y'all have to know that. So if you want to become part of the great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family we have built here, come along and join us. Because as I always say, absolutely everyone, no matter what you're into, is always welcome here. Well, y'all, we did it for this mini video. So y'all know what I'm gonna say. Happy dolling and bye, y'all.